Namaskar students. In the previous video, we already learned about what a sentence is and the types of sentences. All sentences have two parts, subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence may be a group of words which tells us who or what does something. In a sentence, what we talk about is the subject. The subject tells us about the person, animal, place or thing being spoken of. For example, the frog caught a fly. This sentence is talking about the frog. Hence, the frog is the subject of the sentence. The part of the sentence which says something about the subject is called a predicate. It may speak about the subject or an action of the subject. The predicate of the sentence tells us something more about the subject. The predicate always has a verb. For example, the frog caught a fly. This sentence is talking about the frog. Hence, the frog is the subject of the sentence and caught a fly is predicate and it is talking more about the subject. Let us see some more examples. First one, Tom and Jerry danced together. This sentence is talking about Tom and Jerry. So, Tom and Jerry is the subject of the sentence and danced together is talking more about Tom and Jerry. Hence, danced together is the predicate of the sentence. The truck is loaded with melons. This sentence is talking about the truck. So, the truck is the subject of this sentence and is loaded with melons is talking more about the truck. Hence, is loaded with melons is the predicate of this sentence. The little puppy wagged its tail. This sentence is talking about the little puppy. So, the subject is the little puppy and wagged its tail. It is talking about the subject. So, wagged its tail is the predicate of the sentence. The lamb followed Mary everywhere. In this sentence, we are talking about the lamb. So, the lamb is the subject and followed Mary everywhere is the predicate as it is giving more information about the lamb, the subject. The next example is, my mother cooks delicious food. Here we are talking about my mother. So, my mother is the subject. Cooks delicious food is talking about the subject. So, cooks delicious food is the predicate of the sentence. Now, one activity for you. Match the subject with the correct predicate. Subject, the sleeping beauty, the computer, an earthquake, the fog. Gold, predicate, is a natural calamity. Slept for a long time, is a precious metal, is the greatest invention of mankind, is a clever animal. Let's match the subject with the correct predicate and frame meaningful sentences. The answer is, the sleeping beauty slept for a long time. The computer is the greatest invention of the mankind. An earthquake is a natural calamity. The fog is a clever animal. Gold is a precious metal. That's all for today, children. Bye.